Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Alegria Manangan. I'm 42 years old, single. I have two girls children aged 18 and 13. I've worked here in Philippines as a helper in 2 years, way January 2014 to January 2016. Then after 1 year, I decided to work abroad in Hong Kong. I start at December 2018, then suddenly my father is died. I'm so emotional that day. I can't focus my work. I asked my employer to break my contract. Then they agreed that day. I back home at January 2019. After 6 years, I decided again to work abroad because my first children is going to college. I want to earn money to support her study. I want to finish her college journey. I am resilient, trustworthy, reliable, and flexible. I will treasure the chance to work with you and your family. Thank you, ma'am and sir.